Hello everyone. Today we will learn about cut command. Generally we have seen the other commands like vi editor or cat command like that. Everything will parse through line by line, okay, in a horizontal way. First line, second line, third line, like this. It's everything is a line parser from top to down. It will go. But this is the special command, cut command. This will parse the file in a vertically, okay, vertically by columns, by fields like that. So let's see the importance of this command. Okay, so cut command syntax is cut space options then file name. So before that, let's enter into Linux machine. This is my Linux machine. Okay, let's see this list file. Okay, this is one file, cat list one. So in this file, there are set of columns. Anyways, I'm going to filter this with a column wise with a cut command. So cut space list 1. Okay, so it won't do anything. We need option is mandatory in this, so we have to give some option how the way we want to filter it. So first, so I'm doing it now. Cut list 1 hyphen c, hyphen c 1. C1 means first column it will print. If you see in this file, first column of each line, that is first character of each line, that it has printed here. Okay, if you want the second character, same c2, we can, instead of hyphen c, hyphen c2. So this is the second character of each line. Okay, so like this in a column wise it will divide. Okay, so c will print only characters. So let's, I want first character and third character. Let's see, this is the file. So I want first character and third character. Then we can specify like this 1 comma 3. Okay, these first and third characters of lines it will show. See, if you see, the first character is a, that is a, then third character is a, it is a. The next line, it is vertical division, right? So the next line d, first character, the third character is yes, yes. So like this, the first column and third column it will print. Okay, let's see now. I want to print so this is the file. I want to print third column to fifth, third column to sixth column, or else second column to fifth column. Okay, let's print it. Sorry, 2 comma 5 means second column and fifth column only it will print. To print from to 2 we have to use hyphen. So comma means just only those columns it will print, but if you use hyphen it will print second column to fifth column, that is second, third, fourth, fifth. So let's filter this. See, suppose I want second column to everything, then 2 hyphen, that's it. Then it will print those. See, first character is missed in each line because it is printing from second line to last. Okay, similarly if you use hyphen in front, so then 2, it will print first 2 only. So first 2, that line. If you use 4, then first 2, first line, first column to fourth column it will print. Okay, so like this we can filter it vertically with a cut command. But generally we don't use cut command for filtering each characters, but we filter the files which has data like tabular format data. Okay, uh, for, okay, file name is salary details. Okay, I'm creating the file, serial number, tab space, name, tab space, salary. Okay, serial number 1 Venkat, salary is some 60,000 bucks. Then another one, person name is Nidhi, 70,000 bucks. Third person, mm, some wins 40,000 bucks. The fourth person, Sam, again 60,000 bucks. So this is one file. So in this file, if you observe each column while creating the file itself, each field I have separated with a tab space. Okay. Let's filter this file with the -f option. So let's try this. -f means fields. I want field 2, -f2. Okay. So I got only second column, second field. If you want field 3, yeah, this is the one. So like this we can filter it. If you want field 2 and 3 only, then 2 comma 3. Okay. If you want field 1 comma 3 means just 1 comma 3, serial number and salary. Here only names and salary. Like this we can filter the data in a vertical way. Okay. Similarly we can use hyphen 1, 1 hyphen 3 means it's a range. It will show 1 2 3 all. Okay. Similarly the same thing what we did for column wise hyphen C option, the same thing we can do it here. Like 2 hyphen means 2 to end of the field, but here only 3 fields are there. Okay, like this. Okay, ranges we can filter like this. So now, so here the we have a condition that each column should separate with a tab space, then only it will identify and then it will divide it as a fields. Okay, but how about the other data which is not like this? So for that we have a solution for that. Let me create one file for that. Okay, so I'm editing this file itself. Okay, okay. So this is the file I have created it. File name is salary details CSV. So why I have created this CSV file means generally if when we save any Excel file as a CSV format, it will separate each column in that Excel sheet, each tab in the each column in the table will be separated with particular delimiter, that is by default it is comma. So that how to filter this type of files, let's see. So with the same command, cut command, so here -f1 will try. So it's, sorry, this is not the file, this is the file. So -f1, if you see, everything it is printing because here it is unable to identify the default delimiter. Okay, so we have to explicitly specify the delimiter with a, we can specify it like that. Okay, so I'm doing it. To explicitly specify the delimiter, -d is an option. Then the delimiter. So delimiter should be only one character. Okay, here in each column it is separating with a comma, and the name field is separated with a comma. So delimiter is comma here. Let's try now. See. Okay. Now if we see earlier, if we don't use this, it is showing everything. But when I use this hyphen D, now it has identified this comma as a delimiter. So the before to that comma is a first field, then after to that one is a second field, then after this comma next will be the third field. Like this, it will segregate it. So now we got only first field. Suppose if you want second field comma third field, then it will show this. If you want only third field, the same. If you want one to two fields, first two fields it will show. So like this. So here we have to identify the delimiter for such files if uh, uh, they are maintaining any delimiters. Okay. Let's see this file. This is the default file which is in Linux machine. So usernames information will be there, that is cat etc password. If you see this, let's come back to the last four lines. We'll analyze. If you see this, the first is the username, then it is each column is delimited with a colon. Okay, here delimiter is colon. So this is the username. So slash etc password is a file which has users information. So first one is the username, second one is just X for all, that indicates actually password. The third one is user ID, fourth one is group ID, like this. So each column is separated with colon. So colon is a delimiter. So let's piping. So means I am sending the output of that one to this cut command. Cut hyphen D. So delimiter is a colon. So I want field one. See, these are the field ones. Okay. Field 1 means these are the usernames. Only usernames we filtered it from that file. So this system has these usernames. Suppose if I want, uh, let's see this file again. If I want username and the user ID, that is third field. So then we can filter it like this: 1 comma 3. See, this is a username and ID. In between X is there, that is missed because we specified only field 1 and field 3. Okay. If you want only field 3, then we can filter it like this. So here the same thing, whatever we did it, that we can do it, but here we identified that delimiter is colon. So like this, a formatted data we can filter it with a cut command. So and how about data which is filtered with some spaces? So that if we use space here, it doesn't affect. So for that we have to use double quotes to specify the space. Okay. For that we'll create one more file later to see it. The same file I'll edit it, salary details. This is the file. So editing with the VI editor better, 0 comma dollar. So first line to last line I'm substituting tab space with space. Yeah. So this is the file. So each column is supported with just a space. So we can filter this with a cut command hyphen D. So here double quotes we have to give the space. Then field 1, it will show only field 1. So field 2 comma 3. Okay. So like this we can filter it. So with this we have finished this cat command. One more is there, that is output delimiter. We can specify it. Output delimiter means, let's see that. So see, when we use it, this delimiter in the output also it is coming the same. See, I have printed here 2 comma 3 fields, 2 comma 3, but output delimiter is the same whatever we specified it, this one only. Okay, if you find it as comma is a delimiter, then 2 comma 3 means for this in the output it will show second column and third column separated with a comma only, if the comma is the delimiter. But I want something else. For that we can explicitly specify that hyphen output hyphen output hyphen delimiter, hyphen delimiter equal to, suppose I want it hash. See, the output is hash. Instead of spaces, it's converted to hash. So if I use delimiter as mm, colon, then it will show the colons. Okay. So like this we can give, say, double colon I have given here. Okay. So like this we can uh, print the output by explicitly specifying other other delimiter. Okay. Thank you. So with this cat command is finished.